Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can install Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Developer Edition, which is free to use. So I will search SQL Server download on Google and then click this link. A direct link is also available in the description section. And here I will download this Developer Edition, SQL Server 2019 Developer. Is a full-featured free edition licensed for user development and test database in a non-production environment. So I'll click on this download now button and it will download an online installer for SQL Server 2019. Then I will open this. I will install this in the basic mode, accept the license, and then choosing the location. I will keep the default location. Next, install. It will take some time to download. Now the files have been downloaded and it is starting to install. Installation has been completed successfully. We need to restart our computer, but first we will install SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. (18.10) version. It will take some time to download. So we will. The file have been downloaded. So we will open this file. Okay, so first we need to restart our computer. So let's restart. So I have restarted the computer, and then I will open this file again and then install. SSMS is successfully installed. Now we need to restart our computer again. So I will restart the computer. So now we will open SSMS, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. And then click on this connect button. As we can see, we don't have any already available databases. So this is all for this video. In the next video, we will see how we can establish a connection between MS SQL Server and ASP.NET Core Web API project. Thank you.